eno engeri yaffe mwenna ababadde babuuza engeri gye tukola mobile money nga tetwetaaga agent line. Ngeri yiino machine eno ebeera mu mannya go nga bwe mulaba awo eri mu mannya gange. Etuwa services zino zonna nga bwe muziraba nga kuliko ne agent banking wansi wano nga bwe mugiraba agent banking. Machine eno etuwa mobile money both MTN ne Airtel nga bwe mumulaba awo, era ogiselectinga negamba deposit oba withdraw. Etuwa bills omuli URA, KCC, NSSF bingi byonna mu machine emu eba ebikuwa. Wogula machine eno emu eba ekuwadde services zonna gwe jassa omulimu gwo kweyagala. Esasula amasannyalaze, amazzi, URA, KCC. Ensonga gye mubadde mwebuuza eya commission waffe buli transaction gye tukola bamututeera wano. Leero lumu commission bamuggyeko because bagenda tusasula commission waffe w'omwezi oguwedde. Atandika osasulwa nga 5 ennaku z'omwezi nga 5 paka nga 8 sente bazongera ku akawunti yo. Engeri eno nnyangu ne machine yaffe eno nga mugiraba bagiyita point of sale system. Era ekuwa services zonna eza mobile money nga twetaaga agent line.
So this is how the machine looks like. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're interested in getting this machine, you can reach me out on my socials. And this book, if you're new to mobile money, please get yourself a copy of this book. It's only 4,000. Reach me out by clicking on the link below and reach me out on my socials to get a copy of this book. Yes, to learn about mobile money and avoid making mistakes. There's a lot of information about mobile money that is very helpful, discussing the most relevant topics in mobile money. For example, like increasing your profitability, how to avoid making losses, how to start mobile money using applications. So all that is in the book. So if you want a copy, reach me out on my socials in the link below. Please don't forget to subscribe.